It's very pleasure for me to say something about myself in front of you. Well, my full name is Isra Jahan Toma. Basically, I am from Borishal, but at present I have been living at Mirpur 1 Dhaka for the last 5 years. Now I'm going to talk about my educational background. I completed my SSC in 2021 and SSC in 2023. After completing my SSC and SSC, I am currently studying at Prime University in the Department of Law. Let me say something about my family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. And they are very supportive, kind, and motivated person. I always feel proud of them. Well, at the moment, I would like to say something about my hobbies and my favorite things. My favorite color is black because it suits me more than another color. And my favorite food is biryani. Biryani is a very delicious food. It's a Bengali traditional food. And my hobbies are traveling, listening music, reading book, so many things. Now I would like to say something about my strength and weakness and my goal. I think I'm a very kind person. I'm very hardworking. I'm very honest, and I can adapt to any situation, any environment within a very short time. I have a weakness. I have changed. I have changed to overthink with some topic. I spend more time about this. I feel very nervous when I speak in front of others. Finally, my ambition is to be barrister, and that's all about me for the time being. Thank you for giving me this chance, and thank you.